International Concert Series is a very important event in Cardiff. It gives us so much inspiration and contact with our audience.
It was absolutely amazing. Probably one of the best concerts I've ever been to. I think it was brilliant. A really, really good time.
It's great to be doing concerts in St. David's Hall because you never feel a real distance to the audience. It's very intimate and we as musicians can really appreciate the acoustic. As we are trying to make a connection between the pieces we are playing on the concerts and between our operas, we'd like that the audience feels invited to both of the aspects of our music life, opera and concerts.
This conductor has really lifted the Welsh National Orchestra to a higher level.
It's very in control and the pacing was just brilliant. I've always been really engaged with WNO. I'm very pleased to recommend it to anyone, really.
It's my first time seeing Welsh National Opera, but it was a great introduction. I'll definitely come back for some more.